there are earwigs everywhere. What can I do? How can I get rid of them? Anonymous from San Diego, California. So, Mary, what do you think about earwigs?
Well, earwigs don't get into your ears, okay? Let's get that out there. They're insects, and they are attracted to decomposing things. So it's possible if you have a tree that's dying or something like that, they may be attracted to it. But they're harmless.
Yeah, they're harmless.
So they look a little intimidating, but totally harmless to people.
Yeah, I think they're harmless. They're plant decomposers is what I think they are. Of course, they have chewing mouth parts. They have the little pinchers at the end.
Pinchers.
They don't hurt.
I think some people get them in their houses.
They do.
And that can be an issue for some people, but trying to keep any sort of debris that might be on the ground or under your sink or in the kitchen corner of the floor, just keeping that clean will usually get rid of the problem. Or if you have damp areas, try and dry them out, maybe a dehumidifier.
And that's the key, right? So we have to know a little bit about, where they like to be, right? The environments, right? So dark, moist environments. Yeah. So if we can correct those, then you shouldn't have a problem with them. Yeah, because I wouldn't recommend, using a pesticide.
Yeah, they're harmless.
They're harmless.
Yeah.
Right. Again, plant decomposers, they will, chew on some plant material, but they're looking for decaying plant matter. And also dead insects. They actually feed on dead insects.
Oh. So decomposer is really important to the environment too, right? So they're recycling those things back into the soil.
Right, so they have a role.
Exactly.
Right, everything has a role.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.